Hola, aquí es Caya.
Pasa.
Yes, it's an issue. People confuse Caya's name with the brand.
Me acaban de pedir un Caya Premium account.
Yeah, I know. People get an email from Caya and they're confused sometimes. They would think Caya is a company name or Caya is a girl.
We don't have time for this type of confusions. I think he should change his name.
No.
How about Arnold?
No.
Harvey?
No.
Irwin.
No.
I insist. I mean, people could be looking for Caya.com instead of Slidebean.com.
I wonder what you get if you type in Caya.com.
It's a contraceptive diaphragm.
Caya should always be used with a water-based contraceptive gel.
Caya fits about 80% of all women.
You should use a condom along with Caya to help protect yourself from diseases.
If you notice your Caya is damaged in some way after intercourse, please visit your doctor immediately.
What?
After intercourse.
What is this episode about, anyway?